Hey, hello everyone. Finally, we are live at 9 p.m. This is Friday, and thank you all for joining. I see many of you are here. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, hello, Sheikh Naresh. Yes, I am here, Nikhil. So don't worry. I hope you all are doing great, and 40 plus people are watching. And people on LinkedIn, if you all are watching me, just say a hi and thanks for joining this late evening, right? Yes, Siddharth, that's good. People on LinkedIn, if you all are with me, just say a hi. Great, 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 great. Nice to see you all. Right, Swagat, Raju, Vamshi, Saurav, right? Okay, Lata, Lakshmi, Kalyan, who is she? Okay, I missed that. Okay. Kaise ho sab? All good till now. uh, and this 2 hours or 1.5 hour close, we will learn so many things. We will set up so many things in AWS, right? Raju, I am good. Thank you. Prasad. Okay, Prasad, I have taken your name. Hi. People on YouTube, you can also say hi. And we are having so many people. Okay, Akash, hi. Hi, Akash. Thank you for so much love. Nice to see you, Nikhil. Same here. Feeling very excited. Sajjala, right? Hey, yes. Hi, Sajjala. Abdul, great to see you, man. Okay, Ramesh, Rishabh, Vinayak, so many hi. Gangadhar, anyone else who wanted to say hi, and I want them to get their name flashed. Sir, is it from basics? Everything will be from basics. I will just say, great. It's monitoring class. Yeah. Shirisha, hi. Namaskara, nice. Okay, chalo. Let's start the class, and I hope you all are doing great, extremely good. So this class is basically 1.5 hour long class where we will be talking many things, right? Yes. Please mention more about, yes. Mega, definitely we will do that. Okay, it's 9:06. Okay, 9:06. I will share my screen. I will put down the agenda. What is there? You will find the agenda, right? Let me share my screen, and we will just quickly jump onto the topics what we are going to cover, and what are the things that is kept for you today. So I'll just quickly take out my notepad, and I will just say like what are the things that are there for today's class, right? Yes, recordings will be available. You have to make sure you are what you call there on my YouTube channel. So let me introduce you all. Those who don't know where is my YouTube channel and all, right? So just 1 minute, I will talk about it. So this is my YouTube channel, right? And as of now, it is going live, and 83 people are watching on YouTube. So you can see all the videos here. You can see all the playlists here, right? And you can also see my interview experience of various companies. Like if you see here interview experience, so you can see various company interview experience like your Paytm, Walmart, Amazon, Google, SAP, Informatica. So all those my interview questions will be shared, so you can check out the description also here, right? So this is my YouTube channel. My name itself will be flashing on the screen, right? So anytime if you have any queries, any questions, you can search from my name. And one more thing I would like to tell you, as you all know, I have already started the batch 4, right? So if anyone is interested to continue, right? So from tomorrow, the project classes are getting started. So actual classes are getting started from tomorrow. If anyone is interested, to be honestly, anyone is interested, you can enroll for this course. Everything in detailed is here from tomorrow. If you see the basics we have covered, anyways, those who have missed the basics and tools installation on AWS, you can definitely cope up with that because document will be there for every session, right? So bridge class and tool setup we have already completed, but yeah, from tomorrow, if anyone wants to join, so this is the project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4, and similarly you will get the 12 projects. Along with that, you will have the syllabus here, week wise syllabus. If anyone is interested, you can definitely enroll and watch everything: chatbot, Docker, AWS, JFrog. And if people say that in 2 months, how can you master everything? It's basically a job ready course, right? So it's basically will prepare you for job, right? And for placements. It's not like any other basic class where they teach from A plus B plus C plus D No, that is not the case. Or 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to something else, right? It's basically what you need for a job to crack. That is all will be taken. And if you see all the syllabus wise data, it is based on your job oriented classes, right? And if you come down, you can see where the batch 1 and batch 2 students have been placed, like your Walmart, Zynga, DXC, and some photos, pictures in the office, everything you will see here. And basically you will get a certificate of completion, and any FAQs you can check here, right? So that's what. And what is the price for today? So if I come up, you will get something like this, right? And if you see, go here, you will get the cost at 4999. Prime 4 is the coupon code which you can apply, right? And you will get at a 50% discount, right? So yes, and last 2 hours left. So okay, so let's start with the class. So today's agenda, I will definitely tell you all. So before the agenda is set, what else I would expect you to have? One is your notebook. One is your notebook where you write all the notes, right? And one is your water bottle, because for next few hours you will be with me. And the third one is your pen, or whatever you call, right? Your writing material, or whatever you call. So these three things, let me know if you all have with you. Yes, no? Comment section, I would love to see your comments. And yes, you all have, yes, pen, notebook, and water bottle. All the three things you have. Guys, say a yes or a smiley, right? Everything you have. Shall we start the class? Shall we start the class? Yes. All are ready. Yes. Guys, give a thumbs up, a smiley. People on LinkedIn, you can chat with a smiley or a thumbs up, and people on YouTube can put a smiley, or just say any word so that I can start the class. Right? Great. Awesome. Right? Okay. Okay. Everyone is here. That's good to see. Everyone is here. Ready? Okay, chalo. Let's start the class. I will write the agenda. All of you write down in your notebook what we are going to learn today. We will see what is Prometheus. We will see what is Grafana. We will see what is Influx database, right? And we will also see some hands-on in today's class. Okay, so these 4 topics, and meanwhile some quiz will also be there in between. So in the first place, I'll be talking about this quiz only. So you will have all these things, and plus and a hands-on and document, right? So as I have told you, document is also there. So document I'll be sharing to in the Telegram group, right? So those who need the document, they have to join the Telegram group. You all know we have multiple Telegram groups. So if you search in Telegram group like this, 𝐶𝐚𝐫 for DevOps, you will get that, right? Or if you don't have the Telegram group, don't worry. At the end of the class, I will share. Okay. So this is only for the community, those who are joining in the Telegram group, right? But yeah, this is the agenda, and we will start with quiz. Clear, everyone? Right? So let me ask you first thing. Okay. Now, you all know that there are various tools in the market, right? There are many other tools. Now, the first question which I am going to ask, all of you tell me, you have to tell me option wise. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 options for a question. Now, what is Prometheus? Okay, what is Prometheus? All of you keep your fingers on the keyboard. Once I say the questions, right? Once I say the MCQ questions, then you type 1, 2, or 3 based on your experience. Okay, what is Prometheus? A database, okay, a monitoring tool, or both? Okay, what is your answer for this first question? Please tell me, right? According to your knowledge, you can type 1 for 1, 2 for 2, or both. What do you think? What do you think? All of you have to write. All of you give me options. People on LinkedIn, people on YouTube, you tell me 1, 2, or what is your thought? Monitoring tool, few are telling monitoring tool, few are telling database. What do you think? What is Prometheus all about? Is it a monitoring tool? Is it a database? Or is it both? What do you think? Okay, many people are telling it is a monitoring tool, right? Many of you are telling it is a monitoring tool, right? Right? You all are telling it's a monitoring tool. Yes. Are you sure that it is a monitoring tool? Still, I will wait for few more seconds. Few more seconds. Few more seconds. If any thoughts, any questions. If you're wrong also, that's completely fine. You just type your question answer so that I am here to correct, right? All of you, metrics based, database, monitoring tool, scrapes the data. Okay. Now let me reveal the answer. It is basically both. Okay. Prometheus has its own database along with it's a monitoring tool. Okay. So those who said both is the correct answer. Now you will see something called as Influx database also as we go ahead in the class. So make sure you are with me, right? So all of you clear? Why both? I will explain you in a little bit of time. As the session gets proceeds, I will explain you. So till now you would have understood that Prometheus is just like your monitoring tool, right? Most of you would have assumed, but now it is both. And you know, like there is something called Influx database, which we will be talking in a little bit of time. Clear, everyone? Right? So let's start the class with this document, which I have basically. So let me open the document, right? Those who are right, that's good. Those who are wrong, that's fine. You have learned something new, right? So let me start with this. So all of you see week 4 cloud native monitoring we are going to do. And today we are going to assume that what is needed for you in order to understand what is basically the cloud native platform, right? Cloud native monitoring platform. So we will be learning all those things. So let me open. Yeah. Okay. So let me start with this. What is you will have in the class? So we will start with Prometheus. We will see what exactly it is doing, what and all you are going to learn in this class. So let me close this PDF once. Why it is coming like this? Let me close this also. Let me open this one. Okay, still it is coming like this. Maybe there is some issue. Okay, that's fine. So that's fine. We'll start the class. So let's talk with your Prometheus, right? So all of you have told Prometheus is basically a database. Prometheus is a monitoring tool, and few of you have selected the option like Prometheus is both, right? So let me introduce you. It's basically a monitoring and alerting system, right? So whenever you see your maybe you can assume like you have your servers, right? Server 1, server 2, server 3, where you have your application 1, application 2, and application 3. And I want some tool to be installed which will actually help me in the monitoring of my these applications, right? Along with my servers. So what it is doing, it is performing the monitoring of application A1 and the server S1 also. So similarly, application A2, the server S2, application A3, and the server S3. So here, one of the important factor we need to know is the SRE and the DevOps guys. Those who are here, those who don't know, or those who are learning here, that's completely fine. You all should understand that there is always a need of monitoring tool, monitoring tool in field of SRE and DevOps. Okay, I hope you all are making notes out of it, whatever I am talking. So make sure you all are with me, right? In the field of DevOps, right? So as I go ahead in terms of introducing you, what is monitoring with Prometheus, how the architecture of Prometheus looks like, right? Now, before that, the Prometheus is a contribution by CNCF. Okay. Now, you all should understand that computing, Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So this was the second project, which was an open source project after Kubernetes. Okay. CNCF, Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So you all can understand that the Prometheus was the second open source project. Okay. Open source project after Kubernetes. Okay, you all know how much successful it went. The Kubernetes was a damn good, successful project. And at the same time, the Prometheus is also a successful project in terms of monitoring, right? So let's see like what is the architecture of Prometheus, right? Let's see with a slide. I hope you all are getting what I'm talking. So let me see, like, if you all are with me, any questions, anything, right? Anything you have? Okay, no questions. Great, great. So 125 people are watching on me, right? So yes, let's talk about Prometheus architecture. What does your architecture have? What is all your architecture is having? So guys, as I have told you, Prometheus is all about your database, right? So you all should understand Prometheus has very important components, right? One is push gateway. All of you see, guys, this is Prometheus architecture, and we'll be talking in deep about each of the component. So another 2 minutes, I would request everyone to watch on the screen. Don't do anything, right? Unless and until I say to draw the diagram on notes, or I say to make any notes, right? Please don't do that. Now, all of you see here. Now, first of all, imagine that you are sitting in a room. Okay, you are sitting in a room, and that room is this one. The orange color boundary is your room, and you have multiple other rooms also with you. You have one room alert manager, one room push gateway, one room for the Prometheus web UI, the queries, and other rooms are for your, let's take like hard disk where the data is stored, right? So let's talk about one room in few seconds. Okay, now you see, this is the Prometheus server. Now once you install the tool into the Linux system, right, you will see something called a server which is coming to us. Now in this server, you see there are few components, right? There is a retrieval component, there is a TSDB, time series database. Now how many of you said both, right? How many of you have said that Prometheus is both for a database and a monitoring are correct? You see, Prometheus server has a database, right? And this database is ephemeral database. All of you should understand, right? Ephemeral. It means that short-lived data. Okay, all of you should understand. It means that Prometheus is a database. That's true. Prometheus is DB. That's true. But it is not used in long run. Okay, why? Because once the server is stopped in Prometheus, all your data is gone. Okay, so that is why your next type of database is in the market, which is your Influx DB. Okay, so because of this, right, data is gone. If data is gone, everything is gone. No need of data monitoring also, right? All of you agree, right? That is why the Prometheus has a database, which we will talk in a little bit of time. All of you clear till here? I have not discussed big things here. I've just discussed small things. But if you all, okay, I will zoom it, no issues. Are you all clear till here? Yes. Are you all clear till here? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. If anyone wants to join this Telegram group, I have pinged the Telegram group, right? DevOps SRE Bootcamp 3. There only I have shared all the documents. You can join this. Okay. Okay. Clear till now? Right? Okay, great. So let's see. As we go ahead, you will understand what is the need of data. Now, let me show you what you have in this. Okay, now you all saw that in the Prometheus server, there are three main components. One is your retrieval, one is your time series database, and another one is it takes as a data, right? HTTP server, which actually receives the request or make sure some data is there. Whenever some outsider requests some data, right? So that is where your HTTP server takes that incoming request. So let me tell you in a very clear terms, retrieval is something, it takes the data. Prometheus server takes the data, scrapes the data. It means that whatever you say to Prometheus will take the data. Now you see, right? Kubernetes is there. From Kubernetes, it is taking the data. Okay, right? It is taking the data, right? Two-way communication from some jobs. You see, some jobs are there which are short-lived, which are cron jobs, basically 5-minute, 10-minute jobs. From there, it is taking the data. Okay, pull metrics, pull. Prometheus is pulling the data, right? Retrieving the data. And where it is storing? It is storing in time series database, TSDB. Okay, and you all should understand the database has a separate disk, right? You all know that every database has a storage, right, with it. So here the storage can be your HDD or SSD, right? Any type of disk you can take, but as of now we will go with SSD, which is much faster than your HDD, right? Now all of you, right, please understand, retrieval component will take the data and push it to the database, okay, which is your this. So it takes the data, it pushes to time series database, and time series database will store it in the backend storage. And you see here on the right hand side, to my right hand side, it means for you it will be the other direction, right? There are some visualization UI tools, right? On the right hand side to me, you see there is Grafana, there is Prometheus web UI, which you will see in the hands-on class after few minutes maybe, right? So in this Prometheus web UI, you will see a beautiful UI which is in front of us. So basically what will happen, you should understand, right? So let me tell you here in a much clearer way, right? So there is a person, right, who actually requests some data on the Prometheus UI. Okay, all of you. Once he requests the data from Prometheus UI, immediately that request is sent to which server? HTTP server, which is a component of Prometheus. Now this server will hit the time series database, and time series database has our node storage SSD. Correct? Till here everyone is clear, right? Prometheus UI, HTTP server, time series database, and node. Now HTTP server takes the calls, takes the web calls, right? So someone is like, you write like www.flipkart.com, right? So it is a web call which is done to server, right? So here you do any call to the server, it will be first hit to HTTP server, right? So let me tell you other components also, right? All of you should see here there are some exporters, right? So in any monitoring tool, so guys, this is general term, I will be telling exporters, right? If you take New Relic, right, if you take App Dynamics, right, if you take maybe let's say Prometheus only, right, you should understand there are some agents or exporters. So suppose example use case, I would say, right? You have one server, right? And you want your Prometheus to monitor that server. So what you will do? You will install agent here, okay? Agent here. And this agent will talk to your Prometheus UI. Clear, everyone? So I will repeat again. There are some exporters or agents. Okay, let me tell you once again. Okay, there are some exporters or agents, right? And these exporters or agents are in various monitoring tools like New Relic, App Dynamics, Prometheus, and maybe next few other monitoring tools also. And what they will do, once they are installed in any server, right, they start taking the data and send to your UI, right? Basically Prometheus, similar to your master slave configuration, right, in Jenkins, right? Clear, everyone, with this concept, right? Clear with this concept? Fawaz is telling yes. We need the slide is given to you in the Telegram group. Clear, everyone? Yes, clear. So far, all clear. What about people on LinkedIn? Are you all clear? Good, happy till now, right? There are few components which we have seen, not very big, but yeah, this will help you to understand what you need. Yes, give a thumbs up, all of you, if you have understood. Ramesh, yes, New Relic, App Dynamics, Prometheus, all are monitoring tools. Okay, all are clear. Loknath, what is your question? Please ask, brother. I am here. I will definitely reply. Any questions you can ask. Server in the sense it can be of any OS. Yes, it can be of any OS, and depending on that, you install the software. Okay, Arun, I will give you definitely. Yeah, Nagios is a monitoring tool. We are not covering that. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay, how many people on LinkedIn are with me? Very less people are interacting. Let me check how many people are there. So then I will move forward. Okay, how many people are there on LinkedIn? Yes, Naresh? Clear? Clear? Okay, how many people on? Okay. Okay, 132 people. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, great, great, great. So all of you, right? All of you have written down the notes, right? Very simple, right? This was the flow, right? This was the flow. I will write it in blue color. This was the flow. Okay. From here, a person hits the UI, then it will hit the HTTP server, then the time series database, then the node SSD. Okay. So that is how the different components are attached, right? And you know, exporters are agents. Agents are nothing but they get installed on a server like this, and they send the data to various Prometheus servers, right? This is your Prometheus server, and this agent will send the data to the Prometheus server from some CentOS server or Ubuntu server or your maybe Linux RHEL servers, any kind of servers, right? Or Fedora, right? So whatever you server name it, it will be sending the data to it, right? Right? Okay. Now all of you need to understand, right? So I talked about exporters, right? I talked about something your short-lived jobs, which are your cron jobs, right? Push gateway is something when you want to send a data to something else, right? So it will send the data, right? And pull metrics is something which will accept the data, right? So you see alert manager. Now this is the final component which we'll be talking about it, and let me write it in my notes. Alert component. Now this is where you will find the integration between the Prometheus and your various components. Now, how many of you have seen PagerDuty, right? PagerDuty. How many of you have seen X Matters, right? When suddenly some incident happens, you get a phone call, right? You get a phone call, right? Correct. How many of you are in support? How many of you are in support? Right? You all have got it, right? How many of you have got the alerts over phone call or your email where stating that, okay, there is some issue, right? PagerDuty you have, Saurav, right? PagerDuty is there, right? What else tools you have in your organization? We have XMatters, right? Anything else you see? Anything else Raju has used, right? You all are using, right? Support. Those who are in support, those who are in DevOps people are not there or what? Lakshmi? Okay, great. Azizul, thanks a lot. So what do you think? What do you think? I have used X Matters, right? I have used basically X Matters, right? You all have used SNS, okay? X Matters mostly, right? Correct. So yes, so that's what. So other component is something like this. You have your Prometheus, okay? Okay, so you have your Prometheus, okay, and that Prometheus is linked with your Grafana, right? And that Prometheus is linked with your PagerDuty. That Prometheus is linked with your X Matters. So what will happen, right? Suppose I will give you an example. This is your CPU, okay, of a Linux OS, Linux system, Linux server. Your CPU is 2-core CPU, right? And suddenly the CPU you see is, let's take 0.5 MB of CPU is only available. Let's assume that less than that, okay? And now I am writing a alert, okay, in Prometheus stating that if the CPU is going down, right, 0.5 MB, then trigger an alert. Right? So what will happen immediately this query will trigger an alert, danger alert to PagerDuty, to X matters, and this X matters and PagerDuty will ring a call to on-call person, whoever is on that day support. Now you understood how it happens, right? The overall flow. Clear, everyone? All of you are writing down notes, I hope. Yes. Yes, Thousand Eyes is also there, right? Ops Genie, yeah. All of you clear? Clear? So let's move forward. Let me tell you like what are the next topic. So this was some components which we have discussed till now. Prometheus server, the main application server that collects and stores metrics and sends alert. Push gateway, this is used to send metrics from short-lived jobs to Prometheus. Exporters, I told you, are like agents, simple agents which collects the data and sends to Prometheus, right? Alert manager, this is nothing but it helps the Prometheus to send alerts to email, to PagerDuty, to X matters or any other groups. Clear, everyone? Now let's discuss about Grafana. All of you are clear with Prometheus? All of you are clear with the Prometheus? Give a like, thumbs up, or whatever it is. All of you clear up, right? All of you clear with this explanation of Prometheus? I will go into Grafana, then I will go into InfluxDB, then I will show you the hands-on. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay, basic and detailed of monitoring, good. Okay, clear? Implementation of this flow, yes. Implementation of Prometheus will be shown, Syed. Okay, yes, 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 clear? What about people on YouTube? Clear? Okay, Kanupriya, what is your question? What is your question? No questions, right? No questions, right? Alert manager, Shrikanta, alert manager is something which will help you to send the alerts. Alert component, alert manager, assume that is a microservice code which is taking the trigger code and it is sending the data to the downstream applications, which are your PagerDuty, X matters, which are helping us to keep an alerts on our environment, right? Keep an eye on our environment. Clear, everyone? So Kanupriya, in the interest of time, right? So only you are asking. As of now, I will go ahead. But yeah, if you want to join the Telegram group, please join this Telegram group, which I have just put down, right? And you will be seeing on the LinkedIn also. So this is the Telegram group, DevOps SRE Bootcamp 3. You all can join here and the documents are rolled out there, right? So don't need to worry. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Let's see like what is Grafana, right? In short and sweet, we will be talking about Grafana, right? So all of you, now there is a separate question to you. Now tell me, what is Grafana? Okay, now I will check what is Grafana, what you will tell. Grafana is a monitoring tool. Okay, Grafana is a dashboard. Grafana is a database. All of the above. Type in the chat 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? What option suits here? What option suits here? Please tell me. Yeah, all of you. Which option does suits more to Grafana? Which one? Guys, please think and type the question, answer. If you think that is wrong also, please type. I will accept that, right? No one is here to tell right or wrong, right? How many? Okay. Now tell me how many of you say all of the above? How many of you say all of the above? People on YouTube, what about you? What about you? Dashboard? What about guys? YouTube में लोग मतलब इतने लोग देख रहे हैं आप लोग मतलब why are you not talking? What do you think? Which option suits the Grafana? Is it a monitoring tool? Is it a dashboard? It is a database, or all of the above? What do you think? What do you think? Which one is that one? Why? Oh, okay. Why you can't see my screen? Oh, okay. No worries. Okay. All of you, which tool? Alright. Okay, which pointer do you think the Grafana belongs to the family? Is it monitoring tool? Is it dashboard? Is it database, or all of the above? What do you think? Quickly, another 1 minute. I'll be with you. Then we'll quickly jump into Grafana, and I'll be telling that what exactly the Grafana is needed. Okay, let me tell you the answer. Grafana is basically, you can say, like a dashboard, right? A dashboard which helps us to watch the various metrics, data, everything. Okay, so you can say like it's a monitoring tool also, but more I would say like I will go with like your dashboard, right? Dashboard which helps us to watch the data. And to be honest, Grafana doesn't have a database, guys. Grafana doesn't have a database. Grafana don't have database. Grafana's only work is to make sure that it is integrated with any tools. Now you see, Grafana is integrated with Prometheus. Okay. Grafana is integrated with Influx database. Grafana is integrated with MySQL database. Correct. Grafana is integrated with, maybe you can say like log monitoring, right? Any kind of tool which you take, Grafana can be integrated with that. Okay, clear everyone, right? So those who have told all of the above, they are wrong. Those who said it's a monitoring tool and a dashboard, they are correct. Okay, I will go with dashboard. You can tell it's a monitoring tool also, 1 and 2. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, clear everyone? Prometheus will store, okay, Prometheus will store the data in its database, but that is a temporary database. That is not permanent database, right, Akshat? Right? That is a temporary database. So that is why you see like Influx DB, which is your permanent database. Okay, permanent database. Okay, so you all understood, right? Grafana, what it is doing. So let me be a little bit clear about this thing, right? So once you see Grafana, right? Now, what is Prometheus? I told you, right? Prometheus is a database. Guys, Prometheus is a database as well as a monitoring tool. Correct? I told you this, all of you. Yes or no? Yes or no? Prometheus is a database and a monitoring tool. Yes. Now you need to understand when we are talking like this, right? So what I told you, Grafana is a dashboard. Dashboard, right? So what you want to show in dashboard, right? So you want to show in dashboard the data, right? And the data is coming from the database, which is your Prometheus. Okay, so Grafana shows the data to us. Okay, data to us in form of visualization. Okay, clear everyone? You can see bar graphs, right? You can see metrics like this. You can see something like your dots. You can see something like your tables. Clear what is Grafana, right? And Prometheus plus Grafana, both are very important to us. Clear everyone? Clear everyone, right? All are good with this? We will not go very deep into Grafana because it's a very short topic. But yeah, we want to understand more about Influx database, right? Influx DB. All are clear with this? Yes. Give me a yes if you all are clear, right? When my batch 4.0 students, when I ask, they give 2000 likes, right? All are clear? all are clear with this concept, like what is Grafana doing on the backend? Yes, Praveen, it's clear. Raju, Janani, yes, clear. Loknath, boom. Stephen, what about others? People on LinkedIn, are you all clear? Divya, Komal, what about others? People on LinkedIn, Lakshmi, clear? Right? Yes. Okay, let's see Influx database, then we will do the hands-on. Okay, clear? Yes, Naresh. People on LinkedIn be like, बहुत ही silent है, मतलब आप लोग कुछ पूछना ही नहीं है, right? You all are silent like, okay, Praveen is telling something, let's hear, right? तो आपको लगता है कि भाई फ्राइडे है, अब कुछ नहीं सुनना है. No, you always have to work hard and make sure you are learning something new, right? Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Okay, that's great. That's great. Awesome. Awesome. Right? Okay. Chalo, we will talk about Influx database a little bit. Okay. So let me take you to the Influx database, what you have. Now, Influx database is very important database. And what are the major difference? What are the major difference that this Influx database is making us to understand? Okay. So let me tell you. Now we will discuss about Prometheus as a database. Okay, I will take marker in green color. Prometheus, and we will say Influx database. Clear, everyone? Yeah? Yeah? Now, first, Prometheus, right? Now, you all should understand there are some queries in Prometheus. Okay, it's also a database. Okay, it is also a database. So all of you should understand there are queries related to it. Query. I will show you the query. Don't worry. Query. Right? Clear? Yes? All are clear? Yes? Clear about this? Right? People on YouTube? Clear? Great. Now, the second point is you cannot get the metrics in nanoseconds. Okay, you can get the metrics, in nanoseconds. So what does that mean, right? So when you ask something Prometheus, let's take like you asked Prometheus, hey, give me metrics in nanoseconds, it will not give. Okay, whereas it can give. So that is what now. And one of the major difference is it is ephemeral storage. Okay, which means short-lived. That is why you will see always you use Influx database, long-lived database. Okay, and it is faster anyways, right? It is more faster and independent. Okay, more faster and independent. Clear, everyone? Are you all writing down the notes, whatever I am talking about? Yes. Are you all writing down the notes, whatever I am talking about? Yes, Raju, we call that as a prompt query, right? Are you all writing down the notes? Yes, Suresh is telling yes. Yes. Okay, great. Clear. Now let's see like what exactly your Influx database looks like and feels like. So Influx database is an open source time series database. So all of you have seen that we have discussed already. There is something like your time series database. Okay, so this is also time series database, and it is also your time series database. Okay, both are same. But due to its little bit more features, we go with Influx database usually. Okay, now you need to understand, right? So you see that InfluxDB is getting used more. Now you see this is what your Influx database gives the data, like query, you can understand, like, right? And Prometheus query, I will show you. As of now, you see the Influx DB query. Okay, all of you. Sixth Influx DB query and Prometheus DB query. Okay, clear everyone? Now you see Influx DB, how the query will be. And at the end, I will show you the Prometheus DB query also. Clear everyone? Right? All of you see CPU comma host from server A. So it means that argument A equal to argument B, right? Comma, again A equal to B, comma A equal to B, right? And there are some tags we are using. And you see system equal to in nanoseconds. So it means that, and whereas if you see the Prometheus query, which I'll be showing you in hands-on, it will be completely different, guys. Okay, it will be very much different. So you see CPU comma host, right? What is the metrics we are measuring? We are measuring CPU from which server? Server A, right? And these are tags. Okay, tags are very much important in order to specify which query is doing what, right? Tag number equal to 1, and from which region I need the data, right? West. And what is the idle time, and what is the time I want to get the data, right? In which time fragmentation I need to get the data. So usually, right, usually you will see something like measurement, tags, server name, and time. Okay, these all 4 components you will see, okay, in any metrics. So when you go to Prometheus metrics in hands-on, I will show you how this looks like. Clear everyone? Right? So high level comparison between Influx database and Prometheus database, right? Fully integrated time series database, right? And monitoring system. So I told you, right? Database and monitoring system, scraping, storing, querying, graphing, alerting, everything based on time, right? And it is only database. Influx DB is only database. Okay. And you see, it is written in Go language. It is written in Go language. It was released in 2012. It is released in 2013, right? So always the evolution is there. Always the evolution is happening, right? Always the evolution is happening. So guys, as we are getting some data points on the from the students, so let me tell you, right? So this is the course which is actually going successfully, right? And from tomorrow the actual classes are starting. Okay, if anyone wants to register who are from outside India or inside India, can enroll. Outside India, people can enroll from PayPal, right? PayPal wallet. Only wallet transaction works. And inside India, you can opt for any sort of payments, right? And you see, from tomorrow, we are going to start the actual project classes. And what we have decided is, because from tomorrow, the actual classes are starting, we can accommodate a few more people, right? So you can assume like 5 to 6 seats are left, right? And after this, there will be no kind of talking about this, right? If you are interested, you can join. 2+ years of access, no prerequisites, and nothing is needed. It's purely on English. You can watch my demo session from batch 3, and successfully we have completed with this much package, the tools, the average CTC, the learners count. And if you see, come down, so you see week 1, from tomorrow we are starting the week 1, the CI/CD flow, the GitLab branching strategy, the trigger pipeline, the master slave configuration, merge request, GitHub Jenkins webhook setup, groovy concepts, everything. CI/CD advanced with project, the session 1 recap, SonarQube, Prometheus, your what you call like security related tools, right? Automations. Week 2, you see Docker, right? Kubernetes project 4, Python chatbot, right? And Node.js, Python chatbot, Node.js chatbot. And you see week 4, shell scripting real-time examples. And you will also have your own Atlassian account, right? Jira Atlassian account. So those who are with me, you will see something like this. And we will do the automation here. Okay, all of you see, you all will have your own Jira accounts, and we will be doing the automations. You will see 𝐶𝐚𝐫 automation, right? You all will have your projects, and we will do the automations on this. We will do shell scripting automations on this particular, and you can have your own website. I will tell every step what you need, right? So this is my Jira account. If anyone is interested, you can always, right, check out this link. I will be sharing, maybe not this link, a Prime batch So I'll be sharing this. Okay. So I'll be sharing this link. If anyone is really interested and want to enroll, so you can see, and everything will be on the real time. It's basically a job ready course, right? So Akshat, if you want to get some surprises out of it, right? So you can join the 4.0 also, right? So this is the things which we are going. 4.0 starting. Yes, Sheikh, from tomorrow it's going to start. Recorded videos are available, right? And everything is there. So see, everything is automated only, right? So you will have your own Atlassian account, Jira account. We will do the automations here. And whatever you see in the topics here, right? In the topics like this, if you see Jira automations will be somewhere. So that only we will be doing in the class, right? So those who want to join, they can enroll, right? And 6 people I can accommodate. Beyond 6, a humble request, you can join batch 5, which is coming maybe next sometime. Okay, so this is all about this thing. You can watch whatever according to your feasibility, and once you say pay now or buy course, it will take you to something like 50% off, right? And 50% means actual cost of this course is something, if you see, 9,999, and actual today's cost is 6,499. But for the people who have joined the session, it's actually 4,999, right? Hardly you are paying 7 rupees per day. If you are really interested, you can proceed and you can join from tomorrow's class, week 1 project, which is starting from tomorrow, 9th September 2023. Clear, everyone? Yes. Any questions regarding this? PayPal, you need to use PayPal wallet, Babolala, right? PayPal wallet you need to use. Yes, barcode will work, Sheikh, right? Outside India, if you are having error, just try with PayPal wallet, and not, you can drop an email. We will help you, right? Any other questions with 4.0? You didn't get the data shared, Ramesh? Okay, so guys, those who have in LinkedIn, those who are watching and not getting the data, you just type my name on the Google, praveensingampally.com. It will take you to the landing page. You click on the courses, it will take you to this, and you can say buy course. Okay, that is as simple as that, which is starting from tomorrow, 9 September 2023, 9 a.m. Right? You all know that, right? Clear, everyone? Right? Barcode will work. If it is not working, you can use the regular payment option. Yes, you sent email, Babulala, we will check out. Okay. Okay, great. Any questions regarding to Prime 4.0? Yes, Helm is covered, Anuj. Helm is there. Yes. Any other questions? 1 minute, we will take on questions. Any questions you have? Yes, Shiva, I have students from 14 years of experience also. So definitely you can join. Okay. Yes, you can join. Okay. Any other questions you have? Any other questions you have, guys? Any other queries? Any other questions? And then we will start the hands-on, right? And you will see good things here. Okay. Okay. For LinkedIn people, I have posted in the chat, right? You can check out that. SBI not listed, so ready. You can check for some other payment option. Might be there is some issue. Istio I have already covered. You will get the documents. Okay. Is there any course that will only support play? Yes, it's a job ready course, and after that we have few tie-ups with HR, so definitely it will help you. Fully advanced? No, it is from basics to advanced. So I have already told you, right? No prerequisites, beginner friendly, from basics to advanced. And again, I am telling 2+ years of access to recordings. Recordings will be available, and for all the beginners, right? For everyone, right? Clear? So what are the other questions? Class timings 9 to 12 a.m. IST every weekend. Okay. Yes, freshers, weekends for us, weekends. Okay. Freshers, yes, it's helpful. Okay. Clear? Any other questions you have? Any other questions? Any other queries? Those who are watching me? Clear, everyone? Yes. Last 6 people, those who want to enroll, you can definitely enroll, right? And definitely it will help you, right? Yes. So let's start with the hands-on, and then we will take some Q&A. Okay, let me close this, close my Jira board, close this. Yeah. Okay. So yes. So guys, let me be honest with you, right? So you all can assume that, okay, all of you, I will give this notes also in Telegram group so that you all understand like what exactly we are going to do. So let me take out the notepad once. Okay, so yeah. So what I was telling here is, let's do the hands-on. It's time for hands-on. Okay, it's 10 p.m. IST, okay, Indian Standard Time, and we will cover the hands-on in next 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, because it's already late, and even I wanted to make sure I complete it fast. And why Linux installation? Okay, you all can assume why Linux installation, right? Why not Docker? Okay, so let me tell you, the Docker you will have as an assignment. Those who have joined this class, I have already shared the assignment with you all here in this document, right? So you will see some commands you can practice on yourself. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? This is your assignment for today's class. Okay, I will do the installation from Linux, and why Linux means you will see the beautiful commands today, right? Beautiful commands. And next 20 minutes, if you are with me, the very, very beautiful commands I will show you. Are you all excited to do the hands-on? Are you all excited? Yes, no? Yes, no? Tell me. Tell me with a smiley or your maybe gesture, loving gesture. Great. Shake. That's very good. Thank you. Right. Are you all good? Give a thumbs up. 100+ people are watching on YouTube. Guys, those who are watching on YouTube ना, प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो यार. आप लोग लाइक करने से थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिलता है और अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट लाने के लिए मिलता है. ओके. And guys, in batch 4.0, there is a surprise. As I've told you, that surprise is all about my experience. I've already revealed the surprise to the people, those who are with me, right? And you all will be getting that surprise as soon as you join. Tomorrow's class, I will again discuss about that surprise, right? And I will be telling, damn sure no one, no mentor in your circle, in your area, or in your geographical location can give you that. Clear, everyone? Yes? Great. So yes, you all are excited to see the commands. Yes? Chalo. Let's start. How to join the class? Shake. Once you have enrolled, you will go into the courses page, active courses. There will be link, session 1 to tomorrow's date. And you will see like link will be there just before a few minutes. Clear, clear, clear. Okay, Prabala, excited. Dashboard. Yes. Great, great, great. Raju, thank you. Okay, chalo. Let's start the class. Before that, I hope you all have your AWS console access, right? So we will be doing the installations on EC2 today, and I will be telling you various Linux commands, right? So that it will help you. Okay. So this was the Spider-Man which we have created in the batch 4, right? Yesterday's class, I mean last week class. So I will be using that. I will not talk about how you can create a Spider-Man, Superman, or Batman, but we will directly jump on to creating an EC2 instance. Clear? So let me create an instance. So once you have been here, you have to make sure that you are going with this. You say launch instance, right? You say something like your maybe a DevOps monitoring server. Okay. And you say Amazon Linux. Okay. And you keep everything default. We will use free tier eligible. Don't select key pair, proceed without a key pair, and just say launch instance, all of you. So meanwhile, the instance is getting launched right here. I would request you all, those who are interested, you all can watch this Prime 4 batch, right? And can enroll here, right? No comments. Okay. Siddharth, what is your question? See, Siddharth, I am seeing everything, right? So you tell me. Till now, I have replied to everyone. So Siddharth, I have not seen your comment from last. You see, I am scrolling for you only. Okay, Siddharth. Can we compare Influx DB with MySQL? So Influx is different and MySQL is different. Influx stores time series database. MySQL stores transactional database. So if you see, if you have some transaction, let's take bank transaction, that will be stored on your MySQL database. Okay. So those who want to explore the Prime 4.0 can enroll, and from tomorrow you can be with these projects and everything. Last 4 seats left. If anyone is interested, you can enroll here, right? And we will wait for 2 minutes, right? So that you all are okay with that. Clear? Yes, Siddhartha, I've replied to your question, right? Yes, both are very much different, right? Clear, everyone? Clear? All doubts clear? Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. So let's start with the installation steps. 1 or 3 people are watching. So you can see instance is running. So let me connect the instance and say connect. Okay, meanwhile, let me introduce you all some commands, and those who want this document have to join the Telegram group. Yes. So once you join this Telegram group, which is DevOps Bootcamp 3, right? Okay. T.me. Yeah. So this is the Telegram link which you all can join. I will paste this also in the chat, right? And please. Okay, Hardik. So guys, those who are joining batch 4.0, you will get all documents in the website itself. So you click on the session 1, you get the website. So let me show you that 1 second. So all of you see here. So this was the, okay, this is the last session, right? Fundamentals or prerequisites. And you see, this is the PDF, 17 pages, right? Tools, installation steps. So similarly, once you join tomorrow, it will be 9 a.m. and below that, you will get the PDF and documents. Okay, clear? So let's start with this class. So sudo su, I will go with the root user. Okay, so let me quickly install all the things, whatever is needed for my Prometheus to come up. Okay, so I will show you all the steps. So first of all, update the yum package repositories. So we will run some commands. Okay, sudo yum update. Okay, all of you see already it's updated, nothing to do. So step 2, download into AWS server. So curl is a command which we will hit the endpoint and get the data. So all of you, when you get some gap like this, copy this command into a notepad. This is for my batch 4.0 students also. Okay, copy your command in some notepad. Okay, and make sure you are just framing that command properly. Okay, so like this you have to frame the command so that, yeah, so this is the complete command, right? Because there it is difficult to make it one command. So what is OL? LO is basically the output which you will see. So let me install this. Okay, it will download, and you see LS, it is here. All of you clear till now, guys? All of you clear till now? Guys, give me a yes. People on LinkedIn. Yes, Bindu, it is for experienced also. Okay, Siddharth is already a batch 4.0 student, right? Yes. So I hope you all can understand. Okay. Yes, AWS has more job opportunity. Great. Okay, let's go ahead. So once you have installed, you do the unzipping of the tar. Okay, so you see this is the command tar-xvf extract. X is extract, V is verbose, F is file. Okay, so file xvf. So let me copy. Okay, sorry. So let me copy this. Okay, and paste it on the AWS. Okay. So I am unzipping the tar file. Okay, so let me sit. I will relax back and the unzipping is done. Okay, clear the screen. Okay, move. Move is a command in Linux which will help to move the files from one place to another place. So just say move and it is done. Okay, clear everyone? So let's go to the next slide. So guys, step 4 is create a Prometheus user. See, in Linux, you have to know how to create a user. So I will be telling here how to create a user, right? And directories also. So see, user add. So we are creating a user with which name, guys? Prometheus. See, okay, I will again make it in a one line. So guys, batch 4.0 students, please make it always a one line, okay, or else you will get confusion. Okay, so user add, what I am telling, I'm giving the user the shell access, right? And I'm telling I don't need any home directory, and I'm telling bin, and I'm telling Prometheus user create. So user has been created, and you see I'm creating a Prometheus directory also, mkdir, make directory. Guys, don't write anything, all of you watch on the screen itself. Okay, now this is one more folder. Okay, and you see I am changing the, now all of you see ch-own, I will write it here, very important command, very beautiful and very important command. Okay, change owner of this file, Prometheus as owner and Prometheus as group. Okay, this is basically user and this is basically group. So how you will get it, change owner user colon group, right, and file name. Clear everyone? This is how you write in Linux. Okay, change owner, the user and the group and the file name. That's it. Okay, so what I am doing, I am changing the Prometheus file which has been created, right? You see, I have done. Next command is for varlib. So see, we have created two directories and I am changing both the owners of the directories to Prometheus. Okay. Okay, clear? Now you see step 5, copy Prometheus and prom tool binary from Prometheus folder to user local binary. Guys, those who have joined the 4.0, you will understand each value, each line value. The binaries are very much important. So see, copy, I am copying the Prometheus files to binary and everything will be in one line only. So make sure you are writing in one line. So copy Prometheus files, Prometheus to this user local bin. Okay, so done. And the next command is also copy user local bin. Okay, done. And change owner to that user local, which we have done, right? Created user local bin Prometheus, right? Done. And again, so whatever you are doing, see, you have created two directories, you have changed the permissions, two permissions, you have copied two files, you have changed the permissions of those two files. Correct? Very simple. So here in this step 4 and 5, we are just changing the permissions data only. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go to step number 6. Move the consoles and console library directories from Prometheus files to etc Prometheus folder. So copy -r. So I will explain one command here for your understanding. Okay, so all of you see, cp means in Linux it is copy, -r means recursive. Okay, file and destination. Clear everyone? This notes I will share, guys, don't write anything, I will share. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so let me copy all these commands, okay, and paste it here. Okay, done. Okay, I will clear the screen. Okay, till here everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Yes, it's mandatory, Raju, to create the user, right? It's mandatory. Clear? No, I will share the document for us. Okay, Roshan is telling, thanks Roshan, thanks for your love. Everything is covered, Narendra. Okay, don't worry. Okay, everything is clear. Usman Sheikh is there, Kalyan Bison. Clear, bhai log? Badhiya, awesome. And guys, in 4.0, this project is not there, or this hands-on, this is not there. In 4.0, Kubernetes cluster monitoring we will do. We will install Prometheus, we will install Grafana, we will install all the applications, microservice applications in Java, and we will monitor that in Grafana console. Okay, so those things are there for your 4.0. Okay. Okay. No, don't remember Janani. You don't need to remember. You only need to remember what is needed for you. Okay. So finally, I will change the console library command also. Okay. Console library commands are also done. So let me go back to your document. And you see, there is a configuration file in Prometheus. Okay. So I always tell that DevOps is all about configurations, right? DevOps is all about configuration. So you see, right, there is a Prometheus configuration file, and this configuration file will tell Prometheus that what to extract and from where to extract. So you see, step 7, create the Prometheus file. Step 8, copy the following contents to Prometheus file. So you see, what is the target I have given? So all of you see, guys, targets. It's telling the Prometheus that you scrape your own data, right? You monitor your own data. So that is what. So I'll copy this, right? And I will paste it. Shift I, and I have pasted it. Okay, let me. Okay, cat. Let's see if the data is there in this file or not. Okay, it's there. Let's clear the screen. Okay. Okay, where are the other commands, guys? Okay, so change the ownership of files. So guys, one thing you need to know, everything whatever we are doing, everything should be Prometheus user and Prometheus group. You are understanding, right? Prometheus user and Prometheus group, everything. So we created a file, so we will change the user and the group also. So you see, prometheus.yaml we have created, right, in etc folder, and we are changing the. Okay, 1 second, I'll clear the screen. I will give a space there. Okay. The commands are always a little bit. Okay. I will make it a little bit closer. I'll make this. Okay. Clear. So Prometheus command is done. And step number 10, we are creating Prometheus as a service. So what this service will do in Linux, let me tell you a little bit about this. When you create a service, okay, so all of you remember, right? systemctl start Jenkins. You all have done in batch 4.0, right? systemctl stop Jenkins. You all have done this. So who will tell the systemctl command what to do on tool? Okay, that is basically with the help of service. So that is what we are creating. So you see, in the service, I will add what data you will see. So I will add something like this, right? I will save it, right? So you see what we are doing with this service. Okay, once I have created the service, step 11 is done. Step 12, all of you see, guys, what is step 12? systemctl daemon reload we are doing. Okay, so you see, beautiful. Prometheus will run now. See, systemctl start Prometheus. See, okay. Now systemctl status Prometheus. Let's see if Prometheus is up and running or not. So guys, are you all seeing that Prometheus is having some issues? Okay, we'll see. Prometheus service loaded, active, failed. What is the error? Let's see. Prometheus failed with exit code. Okay, main process, exit, started Prometheus, exit. Okay, let's see what is the issue. Clear the screen. Okay, systemctl start Prometheus. Let's see what it will give. Okay, systemctl daemon reload will do. Systemctl status Prometheus we will do. Exit code status 2. preset disable Prometheus. Okay, 1 second. Let me do one thing. I will restart the server once. Let's see if that resolves our issue, because we have done so much things. So let me connect to this instance once again. Connect. Sudo su clear the messages. Okay, it's showing failed. Okay. Let me see some cross checkings we will do. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, console is there, prometheus.yaml is there, everything Prometheus user is there. VIM prometheus.yaml we will see. Global scrape 10 interval, localhost 9090, everything is good here. Okay, I am doing a debugging. Okay, if I have done anything mistake, I will just check. Okay, user is added. Okay, let's see if everything is set. Copy the files we have done. Okay, user local bin, we will see once whether all the files are there or not here. Okay, ls. Okay, Prometheus and prom tool is there. ls-lrta we will do. We will see Prometheus, everything is Prometheus. Okay, we have done this. Let me execute again these things just for on the safer side. Okay, okay, let me do one thing. I will just check if I am able to access this from outside. So let me go to the security tab, and in the security group, I will open the security group just for 1 second. I will make it public. Add rule. Okay, not this. Okay, it should not be like this. Add rule inbound. Okay, they have changed the console also a little bit. So I will say all traffic anywhere IPv4 and save the changes. Okay. So what is my server public IP? Let's see. The public IP of the server is this one. Okay. And the port which you have to run is 9090. Let's see. Okay. It's not allowing us to go. There is issue. Okay. We'll just cross check once again. 9090. Okay, let's see targets if we get it. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, I would have done somewhere a command miss. Any idea if I have done any command miss? Yes. YAML indentation. Okay, that's what. Somewhere I have done some mistake while making. Indentation is missed in etc Prometheus. Okay, let me see. VIM/etc Prometheus. Okay, not this one. Okay, VIM etc/Prometheus .yaml. Indentation is good only. Target scrape interval Prometheus. It's correct only. Systemctl daemon reload. Systemctl Okay, there is some indentation error I can see, right? There is some indentation error. Preset disable. I can see that it's telling line 1 to 2 Prometheus.service. Okay, 1 second, guys, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Let's check once again the Prometheus.service. Okay. 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 I think now it should work. Let's see. Okay, still it is telling failed. Process ID, CPU, failed, result exit status, disabled, preset is disabled. Okay, let me Google it. Don't worry. Let's see, like config file, exit status, config file, Prometheus.yaml. Guys, in this, what we have done? Kahin to hai, matlab, indentation is causing error. Let's see. Okay, any indentations you are finding? Prometheus.yaml? Hyphen target in YAML file may be issue. Okay. Chalo, we will check the indentation also. Don't worry. Let me copy this. Oh, okay. Hyphen target should be here. Okay, let's see. Okay. I understood, guys. Don't worry. I will just make it Shift I. Okay, sorry. Shift I. It should be here, I think. Scrape configs. Okay. Don't worry. Let's see, like Prometheus sample config file. If I am wrong, let's see. Right. This is how you debug in your actual organization when you are working on real time. Prometheus sample configuration. Okay. So let's see images. Images will be a little bit easier to understand. Target. This is not this one. Yeah. So guys, that was the mistake we have made. So it should be under your, let's see, scrape configs is here. Under that, oh, okay, it's entirely, I think I have shifted here. So let's take some sample Prometheus configuration file. I think it will not work even though we do some changes. So let's see, configuration, Prometheus documentation, get started, Prometheus configuration file. Let's take it. Not this one. Okay, we have here script configs, job name, static configs. Okay, so we got it, guys. Don't worry. This is how it should be. So script configs is here, job name is here. Okay, script configs is here, job name is here, Prometheus. And script interval is not there, but okay, that's fine. We will just see. Target should be under, okay. Scrape, it should be under R. So let's make it, okay, it's correct only. This one is correct, guys. Okay, this one is correct. So after static configs, the target will come. Okay. Job name, static config under that. Okay, guys, this was the error. You all are correct. So we have found the error basically. Okay, and let me put it like this. Okay, yeah, I think now it should be good. So let's see, YAML validator also we will see. Okay. Okay, so guys, it is a valid YAML. So what was the error na? Earlier we were doing like this. Okay, so okay, it is also valid. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है भाई लोग? Okay, ठीक है, रुक जाओ. तो एक काम करते हैं, यहीं से उठा लेते हैं इसे. 2 minutes guys, I will complete this. Just we are scraping the data, means हम लोग थोड़ा उसको अच्छा बना रहे हैं. कहीं मैंने while saving the data I would have done some mistake. So job name is there, scrape interval of 5 seconds, static configs, target. So global is there, scrape interval is there, scrape config is there. Okay. Okay, it should be like this. I think it should work. Targets. ठीक है, इसी को उठा लेते हैं. We will get it added. Let's see what will happen. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है? Global static config targets. Okay, let's take this. Okay, all of you, please see I am replacing my Prometheus file. So what I will do is I will just go inside Shift I. Okay, I will delete everything. Okay, I would have done some mistake. Okay, another 5 minutes I will resolve this. Okay. Okay, save, Shift I, Control V. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, now let's do the systemctl daemon reload, systemctl what was that? Daemon reload, start Prometheus, systemctl status Prometheus. Let's see. Okay, it still failed. It's telling config file. Okay, still there is error. Okay, what I will do, I will remove that prometheus.yaml. Any other areas you see? Indentation, target issue. Yeah, target issue. That's what I am seeing. Target is the issue. So don't worry, I will fix that. Just give me 1 second. Where is that? Copy and vim etc Prometheus and prometheus.yaml. Okay, vi etc Prometheus. Okay, I will remove this file from here. Okay. Okay, so I have removed the file. I will create a new file. Okay. Okay, it's already there. Okay, rule. Okay, cd /etc /prometheus rm prometheus.yml. Okay, rm-rf prometheus.yml. Okay, so I have cleared this vim Prometheus. We will create a new one, and let me do one thing. I will take the same file. I think somewhere. Okay, now somewhere, let me check a good file, Prometheus configuration file. Let me see, first steps, tutorial. Okay, we got it. So let's take this. Okay, all of you see, if this is going to be wrong, let's see. Okay, so Control V. Okay, now it should work, I believe. Okay, now let's see, systemctl daemon reload, systemctl start Prometheus, systemctl. Okay, still it is failed. So it is again telling config file, user bin Prometheus. User bin Prometheus. Oh, okay. 1 second, guys. Guys, anything still I am missing something? Because it worked when I was doing the hands-on. So anything else? Parsing error, command line. Kahan hai bhai parsing error? Any clue? I will open that vim prometheus.yaml. Anywhere you are seeing indentation error, anything sort of that? Can enable, no, port is not needed. It is in Prometheus service file. Service file indentation also we are getting. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see the Prometheus, because I do like this now, so that is why. Okay. Okay, let's see in Prometheus.service. vim Prometheus. rm-rf. I will remove that Prometheus.service. So it's all debugging steps. Okay, we are doing debugging steps. vim. Let's see if we are getting Prometheus.service file anywhere. So let's see Prometheus.yaml, Prometheus service file. Okay. Did I miss anything here? Okay, that's fine. We will see some other Prometheus files also. Okay, we got it, guys. Don't worry. So I think this is what we needed. So it is matching with our this one. Okay, so let's take this. Let's see if the indentation error is getting changed. Okay, so vim, what was that? We removed Prometheus.service, Prometheus dot service, Shift I, Control V. Okay, let's see. Now it should work. 9090, everything is sorted out. Okay, so systemctl daemon reload karo isko, फिर करो systemctl start Prometheus karo, unit Prometheus as a bad unit file setting, systemctl status Prometheus karo, status bad setting, bad unit file setting. ठीक है, अब हम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है कि ये Prometheus.settings का कुछ पंगा है इसमें, तो इसको थोड़ा सा और देखते हैं क्या पंगा हो सकता है. बैड सेटिंग, ऑनलाइन टारगेट, डिस्क्रिप्शन, वांट्स. ओके, ये सब नहीं है ये चीज. डिस्क्रिप्शन, प्रोमीथियस सर्वर, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, एग्जिट स्टार्ट. ठीक है, स्टोरेज टाइम सीरीज डेटाबेस. ठीक है, ये दोनों को भी ऐड कर देते हैं यहाँ पे, देखते हैं क्या होता है. ठीक है, दैट इज हाउ यू डू द डीबगिंग. ओके, आपको लगता है कि मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ और हो रहा है, देन इट्स नॉट गुड, बट आप समझो कि कैसे इसको डीबग करते हैं. ठीक है, another 5 minutes we will close this. It's already 10:40. I will not extend more. ठीक है, तो यूजर हो गया प्रोमीथियस, यहाँ पे डालो सर्विस में, सर्विस के अंदर इसको दोनों को डालो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे नहीं है ना यूजर और वो. ठीक है, ओ यूजर रूट डाले हैं. ठीक है, तो यूजर हो गया प्रोमीथियस, PROMETHEUS. ठीक है, PROME एंड ग्रुप भी हो गया, ये यूजर हो गया, और GROUP ग्रुप भी हो गया प्रोमीथियस. ठीक है, PROMETHEUS टाइप हो गया सिंपल. ठीक है, इसको भी लिख देते हैं, we will write it down, type simple. Restart on failure and everything is good. Let's see if it doesn't work, then don't worry, I'll just release a YouTube video on this. Just hardly it takes systemctl. बढ़िया, अब हुआ है शायद से. Start Prometheus, no, fail to start from unit Prometheus and bad unit. Okay, somewhere this Prometheus, इसका कहीं एक एक चीज का पंगा है. Oh, okay, it's having exec also like this. 5 minutes. ठीक है, और लास्ट 2 मिनट्स हम लोग इसको थोड़ा इसको करते हैं ठीक. तो यहाँ पे हो सकता है. ओके, आई हैव नॉट गिवन दिस. Just one more, few more minutes, huh? Thanks for being patient. Even I have to run, right? तो अभी देखते हैं. अगर इससे हुआ तो हुआ, वरना आई विल रिलीज अ स्मॉल यूट्यूब वीडियो. कहीं ना कहीं तो थोड़ा छोटा पंगा किया है मैंने, वो कॉपी पेस्ट में कुछ हुआ होगा इसका. एग्जिट स्टार्ट. लेट मी पुट इट इन सिंगल रो. तब देखते हैं इसका होता है कि नहीं है फिर. ओके, वन लास्ट अटेम्प्ट, ठीक है. इसके बाद वी विल क्लोज इट. और फिर मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो डाल दूंगा एक छोटा सा, जिसपे हम लोग को पता चल जाएगा क्या एरर था और कैसे मैंने डीबग किया. ठीक है. systemctl daemon reload, systemctl start Prometheus. Okay guys, 1 second, I think it's working. systemctl status Prometheus. Okay, failed. ठीक है. Okay, don't worry, I will release a small YouTube video, maybe hardly 10 minutes. ठीक है, उस पे हम लोग काम करेंगे. ठीक है. ठीक है. इफ यू आर डूइंग इट इन सिंगल रो देन रिमूव स्लैश. नो स्लैश वाज ओके. ठीक है, आप लोग देख लो, यहाँ पे भी स्लैश था, तो दैट्स फाइन. ठीक है. एनी फायरवॉल, नो फायरवॉल्स, एनी गेसेस, और यू वांट मी टू गिव वन लास्ट ट्राई. ठीक है, एक लास्ट ट्राई करते हैं, जैसे भाई ने बोला है. वी विल सी if that slash is creating an error. ठीक है. So let's see. ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay, don't worry, I will release a small YouTube video on my YouTube channel tomorrow at 8 p.m. Where we will see like what exactly the issue was. I will explain on the issue. At the same time, I will talk about like what was the error. Mostly it is because, see, there can be some indentation error here and there, which we are not able to find now, but definitely it will be solved. Okay, clear everyone? Yes. Okay, that's what Lakshmaya, it is, there is some little bit of issue, so we will see tomorrow. But yeah, those who need this document and those who need everything, right? So yeah, I saw that there is a where. So wo sab nahi hai, wo sab kuch issue nahi hai. That's not an issue, right, Ritesh? There is some other issue which is happening. So what I will do is tomorrow, right, sharp, you can understand, like maybe 8 p.m. I will release an YouTube video where you will understand like what is the error, like what exactly the issue is and why there was an error and how we have resolved. Okay, so tomorrow 8 p.m. you will see why this error came and I will show you the debug steps in YouTube video, right? And we will solve this error and we will launch Prometheus. Clear, everyone? So today just consider that this was a theory class more of, and tomorrow you will see something like this. Tomorrow will not be a live, I will release a YouTube video. Okay, I will release a YouTube video, right? So YouTube video will be released on my YouTube channel. So if you are seeing there is something like, you can search with my name, right, Praveen? Okay, this is not this one. Okay, YouTube, you can search with my name. So I will put all the links to you so that it will be helping you, right? So this is my YouTube channel link. So let me put it in the chat, right? Yes. So I hope you have liked the session, but yeah, we will debug it. Don't worry. Sometimes it happens. Ups and downs are always there, right? You don't need to worry. In real time, you face through this errors, right? But yeah, that's how we learn, right? So I learned that there is some indentation error, right? And I need to fix that, right? And I will do that. Okay, checking logs and all, it will take time. And yes, if anyone still wants to enroll Prime 4.0, right? So this is the Prime 4 link where you can enroll, right? And that's how. Okay, tag SRE channel. Okay, SRE channel, I will tag it. Just 1 second. Okay, this is the SRE Telegram link. So please take it and have a note so that you all join. Okay, so yes, thank you. Thanks, Manikanta. Thank you everyone, right? It happens, but we will resolve it. Yes, stepping stones, you all understood, right? How you all were there with 2 hours, 9, 10, 11, almost 11, but still you are here. Great session. Thank you all. Keep the josh. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. I will release the video. Okay. There you understand like क्या गलती मैंने किया as a person and how I have rectified that. Clear? Okay, great. Please, you all try to debug that. The document, I will put it right away in the what you call, like in your Telegram group. You all can take it. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Naresh. It will be 50 hours close to. Okay, thank you everyone. Chalo, see you all. It's already very late. I don't want to waste your all time. Please take care. Yes, Madhavam, I don't want to do any kind of logs, errors and everything, right? It's already late. I wanted to make sure there is an indentation error. Tomorrow we will see what was that indentation error and how we will resolve that. Okay, and tomorrow 8 p.m. I will share it. Okay, Bindu, if you have any issues na, please mail it. If you are outside India, enroll via PayPal. Okay, good night. I have to take rest. You all also take rest. Bye. Okay. If Bindu, if you are outside India, please take from PayPal wallet. If you are inside India, you can make sure you have any kind of payments except your SBI. I think it will not work, but other payments are also there. Okay. Happy Friday. Bye. Take care, भाई लोग. चलो YouTube video like करो, share करो अपने friends के साथ और पढ़ाई करो, आगे मेहनत करो. Okay. Thanks, Singam bro. Bye. चलो.